Did you know QuickBooks Enterprise now lets you see which vendor supplied each item directly on an invoice without your customer ever seeing it? Hi everyone, I'm Raeann Salter with Minding My Books, your QuickBooks Success Partner. Welcome to our QuickBooks Enterprise New Features and Enhancements series, where I highlight small updates that make a big impact. In this quick video, I'm showing you a new internal enhancement to the invoice template that displays vendor information for each item, while keeping that information completely hidden from customers. You just need to add the vendor field to your current invoice template. Within the invoice, follow these 5 steps. 1. Go to Formatting. 2. Customize Data Template. 3. Choose the Columns tab. 4. Select Vendor under the Screen section. 5. Save your changes. You can now associate each item on an invoice with the vendor it was purchased from. View vendor details inside QuickBooks only. Keep vendor information off customer-facing invoices. This gives your team better visibility without exposing sensitive data. There are 3 reasons why you would benefit from this feature. First, it makes vendor lookup fast and easy. Sales, billing, or customer service teams can instantly see where an item came from without running reports. Second, it protects your vendor relationships. Vendor names stay internal so your customers never see your supply chain. Third, it's perfect for businesses that buy the same item from multiple vendors. You can quickly identify which vendor supplied the product if questions or issues come up. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more QuickBooks Enterprise new features and enhancement videos. Thank you so much.